Welcome to the Tech Mechanic. Today's breakdown is part of our Azure Architecture Master Series. If you want the full roadmap, then hit the playlist from the start. With that said, let's dive into today's topic. Imagine millions of taxis moving across the world. Every second, each vehicle sends GPS location, speed, direction, fuel level. How can Azure receive millions of events every second without crashing? The answer is Azure Event Hubs. Imagine if every IoT device directly called your application. Millions of requests every second. The application would quickly become overloaded. We need something designed specifically for high-speed streaming. Azure Event Hubs is Microsoft's big data streaming platform. Think of it as a giant highway built specifically for millions of incoming events. Instead of processing one request at a time, Event Hubs continuously streams massive amounts of data. Imagine sending 1 million cars through a small road. Impossible. Now imagine an 8-lane express highway. That's Azure Event Hubs. It was designed for enormous traffic. Streaming means data never stops. Examples include video streams, sensor readings, financial markets, GPS locations, stock prices. Instead of individual requests, Azure receives continuous streams of information. Applications that send data are called producers. They continuously push events into Azure Event Hubs. Applications that read data are called consumers. Multiple consumers can independently process the same stream. One giant queue would become a bottleneck. Instead, Event Hubs divides incoming events into partitions. Multiple processors can work simultaneously, making Event Hubs extremely scalable. Different teams may need the same data. Consumer groups allow each application to read the event stream independently. Suppose a consumer crashes. Should it start again from the beginning? No. Azure Event Hubs stores checkpoints, allowing processing to resume from the last successful position. Imagine thousands of factory sensors sending temperatures every second. Azure Event Hubs collects them. Power BI visualizes them. AI predicts equipment failures. Everything happens in real time. A smart city generates millions of events every second. Traffic cameras, parking sensors, public transport, air quality monitors. Azure Event Hubs becomes the central streaming platform. This is the easiest way to remember them. Service Bus handles business messages. Event Grid handles notifications. Event Hubs handles continuous streams. We have already covered Service Bus and Event Grid in great detail using real-world architectural concepts in this playlist. Please check it out if you want to learn more about these topics. Now let's switch to Azure. We'll create an Event Hubs namespace, add an Event Hub, configure partitions, and explore consumer groups. First, open your browser, navigate to the Azure portal, and sign in with your credentials. Search if resource group already created before. If not, then create resource group. Go to the top search bar, type in Event Hubs, and select it from the Services drop-down list. This takes you to the Event Hubs namespaces dashboard. Click on your specific Event Hubs namespace from the list. Once inside the namespace dashboard, scroll down to the left-hand navigation menu under the Entities section and click on Event Hubs. Select your target Event Hub from the list. You will now see the main overview blade, displaying real-time metrics, active partitions, and streaming traffic charts. Now, let's create a new one. From the namespace overview, click the Plus Event Hub button at the top toolbar. Type in a unique name. Configure your partition count based on your scaling needs, set your retention period, and click Create. Once the creation is complete, select your newly created Event Hub. To handle authorization rules, click on Shared Access Policies under the Settings menu on the left. Click +Add to create a new rule, give it a name, and select the appropriate permissions like Send, Listen, or Manage. Finally, let's look at the metrics. Return to the Overview dashboard of your new Event Hub. Here, you can monitor the live, visual performance charts tracking incoming messages, outgoing requests, and overall data throughput in real time. This is one of the most common enterprise architectures. Event Hubs receives live data. Azure Stream Analytics processes it. Data Lake stores it. Power BI visualizes it. AI analyzes it. Notice how Event Hubs integrates with many Azure services, forming the backbone of real-time applications. Use Event Hubs when data arrives continuously. GPS, IoT, clickstreams, application logs, telemetry, real-time analytics. Azure Event Hubs isn't designed for business workflows. It's designed for speed. Whenever your architecture must handle millions of live events, Azure Event Hubs is one of the best services available. Whether your goal is to become a solution architect, cloud architect, AI architect, or simply a better software engineer, TheTechMechanic is your learning destination. Like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay ahead in your tech journey.